welcome. In this video we are going to learn how the two-way handshaking is done. Let's get started. Open the Google and Wireshark. Select LAN option because we are using LAN connection. Type any website to see two-way handshaking. Here I'll go for Flipkart. Let's type. After loading, let's stop. Wireshark to see SSL packets. Type SSL in filters. Here you see the handshaking. Select any packet and right click on it and go to SSL stream. You can't see in this block, but see in the filter in TCP stream, that is tcp.stream.eq42, and add SSL to see SSL packets, that is tcp.stream.eq42, and SSL. Here you can see the click request packets, where in the source box is my IP address and destination box there is server IP address. As you see, let's go to secure socket layer, press plus. Here it shows the handshaking protocol. Now here you see the response from the server. As you see in SRC box servers IP, and at destination side is my IP address. Now go to secure socket layer. You can see the details. After next, server give a certification to client and also perform key exchanger operation. To connect, as you see in details by clicking on secure socket layer, press plus. Now server provides, give the session ticket to client to access. For details, go to secure socket layer, press plus. So that's it in this video on two-way handshaking, that is between SSL and server. Thank you for watching this video.